All right, so here is the new Walrus oil kit that I bought. This is the furniture kit, as it says here. It's called the Furniture Maker Master Kit. And I have not used it yet. This just came straight out of the box. What you get in it is you get a Danish oil, you get a wax, a hard wax, and you get a furniture butter, and you get a application rag that's they call it I think they call it non-woven or something, so it's supposed to not leave like fuzz and whatever. But they also give you this little card that's a prevent splotchy finish, and on the back has a bunch of detail about what to do and not to do to make sure you're getting a good finish. Then they give you this card. It says, "Thank you, Eric," and then it says they're gonna plant 5 trees. It's helping to plant 5 trees, which is awesome as an arborist. That's an important factor to me. And then here we've got the kit, what it includes, like I just said, and then how to use it. So we will be going through all this with very soon. These are the pieces that I'm going to be using it on. These pieces of ash wood. I have to do a little bit of work on them to get a mechanical device in there because they have a special feature on these. This is going to be a end table / stool that you can sit on, and Walrus oil is going to be the first product that I put into application, or I should say this piece is going to be the first application of Walrus oil I will use. Of course, I'm going to use Walrus oil on a scrap piece just to get the feel for it first, then I'll do this. And yeah, I think it's going to be beautiful. Another thing about all of this is that they are certified vegan, plant-based ingredients. And so I also have some Odie's oil that's coming in, and I will go over that as well and do a little bit of a comparison in the future. But yeah, this is what I've got for now, and we will be putting this into application, and I'll do a full review of my first use of it here in the near future.